Action history. This table displays a table listing all actions that have finished running. The history is cleared when Streamer.Bot is closed. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can sort this table by name and by timestamps, queued at, started at, completed at, either by clicking on the column name or using the context menu accessed by right-clicking on the column name. From this menu, you can also filter the actions. If you have many actions in the queues, you can filter them by name, state or queue. In this table you can see name, the name of the action, state, the current state of the action, completed or removed. Completed for actions that successfully finished their run. Removed for actions that were in waiting state but were cleared from the queue. Variables displays the number of variables associated with the action. Duration shows how many milliseconds it took for the action to complete. Queue indicates in which queue the action is running. Queued at displays the timestamp when the action was added to the queue. At this point the action is in the waiting state. Started at displays the timestamp when the action began execution. At this point the state of the action changes to running. Completed at shows the timestamp when the action finished running. At this point the state of the action changes to completed. For removed actions, this field is empty. If you right-click on any action, you will see the following options. Inspect variables when queued. Displays a table showing the variables that were set when the action was added to the queue. This is the same as in the Pending Actions tab. Inspect variables after run. Opens the table showing all variables at the end of the action's run. This refers to the args object, which includes all general variables, trigger-specific variables, and all variables added by the subactions. If variables had the same name, only the last value is displayed. This option is also accessible by double-clicking the action. Requeue reruns the selected action with the same variables, plus an additional variable indicating that it is a requeued action. Go to action. Navigate to the Actions tab and select the corresponding action. Clear history clears the entire action history, not just for the selected action. If you right-click on any empty space, you will also get option to clear the history.